Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Magic Light AI app. In order to do so, here we are at the Google Play Store, and at the moment, this is the only place that you can get access to the app. It doesn't appear that it's available on the App Store, but if you have an Android device and you want to install the app, then you can head over to Google Play and you can install it here. And with the Magic Light AI app, you get access to the #1 creator tool to grow your creative business. You have 20 plus styles, 10K plus free characters to unleash your creativity. Has text to video. You can create up to 30-minute films, which is interesting. And you can use their AI image generator to unleash your creativity, creating your AI images. So if you're interested in taking advantage of the Magic Light AI app, head over to the Google Play Store. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the link tree, you will find a referral to Simply Financial. If you click on the link there, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can highly recommend it. Simply Financial. Check to see if it is available in your area.